leaders to be more proactive in charting the way forward for small-scale miners in a bid to end high levels of poverty and unemployment in the area. Speaking at Nyabigege village in the area, Daniel Ombasa Apepo, a local and international soapstone dealer, said soapstone miners in Kisii County, including Tabaka, Sameta and South Mugirango, were not receiving maximum benefits from their labor unless their leaders made deliberate efforts to intervene.
Watu kutoka nje, hasa China, wanataka kununua hizi quarries. Na tusipochunga vile mimi naona, itakuwa ni bahati mbaya hizi quarries zitaenda. So, Madam Ambassador, as you think of what to do, the first thing is not even to buy the soapstone. Think of how people from this community can come up with unique products which can be sold in the American market. That is product design. Fikiria how people can be trained to display those products in the US market so that they can be attractive in that market. Then people will be allowed now to attend exhibitions and the fairs, so that if the people are able to go to the New York exhibition, they come back with orders of more than 100 million. And that money will go to the community, and that will be a big, big benefit.
And that story brings News Desk to a close. Remember that we are